Behind this tree. Michelle. Behind that tree. Just wait. They're already like at their boundary, so they can't back up anymore. We'll just wait for them to get close and now we'll put them. Should I throw a thunder bee?
Go for it.
I see a guy. Hold on. Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. Thunder bee! Who's that? All of y'all are out?
2 outs. Biffy's still in. Back up for Biffy. Hold up. Fuck, dude. Nice one. Fuck. Don't fire. Don't fire. It's not left. What do I do?
Are you dead? Are you dead? Hey, you're out of bounds!
Alright.
I was gonna chase after him, but I forgot out of bounds is the river. Alright! Texas Renegades are victorious!